Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I am going to discuss about how you can fix OneDrive sign-in error code 0x8004ed40 on Windows 10. So let's go to the PC and get started. So now what you need to do, you need to go to the search toolbar and type Internet Options. Click on it. This window will open. You need to go to Connections and then click on LAN Settings. Here you need to check if automatically detect settings is selected or no. If it is not selected, make sure it is selected. Then click on OK. And then go to Advanced. Scroll down until the end. You will see Use TLS 1.0, 1.1 and 1.2. Make sure that these options are selected. These three options are selected. After selecting them, if they are not selected, select them and then click OK and restart your computer. After restarting your computer, this error should be resolved. In case it didn't get resolved, what you need to do as a last option, go to the search menu here, search toolbar, and then search for network reset. Click on it. Network reset will open. You will see reset now, but before the resetting, check this message out here. This will remove, then reinstall all your network adapters and set other networking components back to their original settings. You might need to reinstall other networking software afterwards, such as VPN client software or virtual switches. Moreover, also you need to remember your Wi-Fi password, because after resetting they may ask you to re-enter the password again. So go ahead and reset now and then restart your computer, and this error should be resolved. With that, I have come to the end of this video. Thanks for watching. Subscribe to my channel to watch upcoming videos. Take care. Goodbye.